While concrete floors are strong, durable, and low maintenance, they remain susceptible to etching and staining. RetroGuard's unique properties provide protection against most food acids and will extend the performance and appearance of your concrete floors. In this presentation, we will demonstrate how RetroGuard can provide the added protection your densified and polished floor may need, as well as learn more in depth about its purpose and benefits and expectations. Topical guard products are specifically formulated to prevent harmful liquids, such as food acids, from penetrating the surface and damaging your floor. This damage is often in the form of permanent etching and staining. RetroGuard is designed to provide ultimate stain and etch protection. When a spill occurs, RetroGuard's protective layer prevents the floor from immediate damage and increases the window of opportunity for cleanup. In addition to its protective qualities, RetroGuard also provides a high-gloss finish. As you've no doubt learned from past experience, concrete floors are not bulletproof. They require routine cleaning and maintenance, as well as extra protection in situations where harmful spills are common. Concrete densification forms crystals in the pores of the floor, making it harder for stains to penetrate. However, while this process helps mitigate stains, it does not completely prevent them. This is exactly why a topical protectant like RetroGuard may be necessary for your floor. RetroGuard is commonly specified for use in airplane hangars, food preparation areas, grocery stores, hotel lobbies, manufacturing facilities, restaurants, schools, and universities, and many other areas where stain and etch protection are needed. Such was the case with this technical school in Westover, Maryland, USA, where RetroPlate was used to densify and polish the floors. In high-traffic areas that serve multiple purposes and functions, such as classrooms and corridors, RetroGuard was applied to provide additional protection. The shine of the floor from RetroPlate polishing and RetroGuard is incredible. Let's dive into the benefits of RetroGuard and why it is the product of choice for preventing etching and staining for so many in the polished concrete industry. RetroGuard works by taking the brunt of the damage caused by harmful spills and prevents them from attacking the concrete. It is the topical coating that sits on the surface of the concrete and acts as a sacrificial layer when those harmful liquids hit the floor. RetroGuard provides ultimate stain and etch protection, creates a high gloss sheen when burnished, enhances the floor's color, is UV stable, can be reapplied anytime, and reduces expensive and time-consuming stain repair, among many other benefits. So what can you expect from RetroGuard? RetroGuard will enhance the glossy sheen, as well as enhance color dyes or aggregate present in the floor. As far as coverage rate, RetroGuard can be put down from 1,500 to 2,000 square feet per gallon, or 37 to 50 square meters per liter. RetroGuard is available in 1-gallon jugs, 5-gallon pails, and 55-gallon drums by special request. When we say that our products are the best in the industry, we don't want you to just take our word for it. We want to demonstrate exactly why we believe what we do. That's why we conducted numerous tests putting RetroGuard against some of the harshest chemicals and liquids known to cause problems for concrete floors. Here's what we found. Clorox was placed on a RetroPlate polished floor treated with RetroGuard. After various dwell times on the surface, the Clorox left behind virtually no staining or etching after 8 hours, but did leave a stain after 24 hours. Mustard was tested next, and after 1 and 4 hours, left slight stain on the concrete. At 8 hours, a noticeable stain was left behind. Once the mustard had been on the surface 24 hours, a stain and slight etch was the result. White vinegar also had similar results after being tested on a RetroPlate polished floor treated with RetroGuard. Slight stains were observed after 1 and 4 hours, a noticeable stain after 8 hours, and a stain and a slight etch after 24 hours. We've provided a table here of common products found in homes, grocery stores, and businesses that are spilled in the course of everyday life, and the effects it could have on polished concrete. A quick note about spill duration. The duration of each stain test performed in these experiments are quite long, and in reality, somewhat unrealistic. Spills that happen in grocery store aisles or in a kitchen setting are usually cleaned up right away, and are not usually left to dwell for as long as 4 to 24 hours, especially while in plain sight. The crucial period where RetroGuard is most effective is in the short term, the first few minutes after the spill, through the first hour. These durations, however, were not tested in these test experiments. While RetroGuard offers ultimate protection against a host of common liquids, spills must be cleaned up immediately and should not be allowed to dwell on the surface for an extended period of time. As seen previously from the table of stain and etching results, RetroGuard is intended to buy the floor owner time to gather the necessary materials to clean the floor. It will protect the floor from the immediate and harmful effects that could damage it. Spills should not be allowed to sit on the floor for an hour or for hours at a time. Once the liquid penetrates the sacrificial RetroGuard layer, your floor will be susceptible to long-term damage. It is not uncommon for contractors to use RetroGuard or other similar topical guard products to fix or hide a poorly polished floor because of the high sheen properties it delivers. Doing so applies a temporary, albeit aesthetic, solution to the problem, but does not address the actual root cause of the problem, such as poor workmanship. Be advised that RetroGuard is intended to be used as a sacrificial barrier to prevent immediate staining and etching, not to remedy poorly polished concrete floors. In order to choose the right floor protection product, we've put together this product selection guide for you to review. Curecrete offers RetroPel and RetroShield in addition to RetroGuard. Take a look and see which product is best for your floor's needs. RetroGuard offers ultimate protection from staining and etching. Designed as a topical coating, also known as a sacrificial layer, RetroGuard helps mitigate staining caused by a variety of common liquids that could potentially damage concrete floors. Testing demonstrated that RetroGuard does indeed offer added protection, but cleaning up spills immediately is still recommended and strongly advised. RetroGuard is the ideal product to protect your floors from staining and etching.